All right, guys, we're just gonna do like a bedroom tour kind of a situation and go part by part on the room. I wanted to show you guys my vanity setup, cause beautiful. I finally got it the way I want it, so I want to show it to you guys. I'm just in love with this. Well, this whole setup, I love it so much. Really big vanity. My daughter has like the little smaller version. Have your phone on like a charging stand, like I do right there. You don't have to have it on a charging stand, but you can connect it to Bluetooth if you just press this button right here. Listen. Well,
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, there you go. And then it will automatically,
Bluetooth is off.
ooh, that was loud. You can play your YouTube videos and you can skip forward or backward and turn the volume up and down. Our 3 different light modes. Also hang it on the wall, but I just left mine kind of setting on my vanity, and it comes with this mount. It's really heavy. I do have 2 young kids and it has never even thought about falling over. You're looking for something to create sort of a nice little vanity area, especially for someone for the holiday maybe coming up. This is such a great choice. This mom desk, which has this like glass top and the white sides. I've had this thing for years, so. But look. It's finally set up the way that I want it. And I have all these like great little organizers in here. And this is for like my lip gloss and my eyeshadows and, you know, whatever various makeup that we have. But these little organizers are so great. And then this thing, I don't know, like this desk for me, it just, let me push this back in so y'all can get a look from all the way back here. Like to me, that just looks so chic. I love that all white glass top. Like I feel so elegant when I'm getting ready in the morning. I just absolutely love this thing, and there's no girl in the world that is gonna be like, oh, I don't enjoy that. Because I figure I must not be the only woman with this problem. Okay, this is just that, I think it's called a mom desk. I took these 2 things. Now these are meant to go like in a shower area, so they're adhesive, which is so great because you don't have to drill into this. On here, I have all of my hair supplies, like my hairspray and my brushes and all that other stuff that would normally just be up here, just like taking up so much room. But it's down here, so when I'm seated at my vanity chair, I can just reach over, grab what I need, and stick it back. I also took this, which is just like a little, I think it's meant to hold like files or something, I'm not really sure. Put it into the wall, and then I put these little bags in here. I used to have a trash can down here, and I was constantly like kicking it and everything while I was getting ready. And this is totally out of the way. This is such a great way to organize, even if it's just like extra makeup, but certainly hair stuff. So great. It's just so beautiful. So it has like that tufted design. Back right here is open all the way through. The seat looks like down here. All this like velour, velvet, I don't know what you call it. What the front looks like. And it has this beautiful gold base. But guys, check this out. What? Yes, this thing spins around, and I always just feel like queen vibes whenever I'm sitting in it. And again, I put this thing right here. This is my makeup chair, so I don't want to get makeup on my chair. So I just throw that over there. I don't have any stains on there. Plus it looks a little plush. Set right here. So it comes with this, and then there's another part that you plug in like directly into the light socket. And then, so you would plug like, so the light for this, the cord for this lamp, you plug into the little outlet on the back, and then, so I love this because, and then you can, you know, put all kinds of different devices, but I just have this one on here. Well, when I'm laying in bed at night and I turn off like these overhead lights and I just want it to be kind of softer light, it's so nice to just be laying in bed and be able to click and turn it on. It's like the classy version of the clap on, clap off, right? If you guys remember that commercial. So there you go, pretty self-explanatory. It takes these, let me see, what kind of batteries, hang on. It does take these weird, teeny tiny little batteries. But honestly, I don't remember ever changing these. So they must last for like a really long time because I have had this for many, many years. But I just love it. See? On off shoe holder because it just looks so cute over here. We actually have them in 3 rooms in our home. That's how you know you love something. It looks like it's like glass, but it's almost like this plasticky kind of glass, which actually makes it much safer. But to look at it, it looks like it's glass. It's turned. Then you just open these up and slide it in. It just feels so elegant. I mean, I know it's just a tissue box holder, but It's just such a nice way to dress it up. And I like that it just kind of disappears into the background because it's reflecting the image of whatever's in front of it. It just looks very chic and I love it. And let me just stand back here and show you. These are just like some little apothecary jars that came, and they have, you know, I have all kinds of stuff in there, like little hair clips and my glasses. That is a really cute set too, by the way. I love this little set of drawers because I just have all my kind of like extra charging cords for like my spa stuff in here. This is like extra stuff, you know, for date night or whatever. This is sitting to the left. So I have my primary makeup in the drawer over there. Here, this is all the extra stuff that I want access to, but I don't want it in that main drawer. And I just love it. Like, it just looks so cute. And it actually comes with wheels if you want yours on there. I didn't put mine on. And this one has, I think, 5 drawers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 drawer and an 8 drawer version, but this is the 5. And I love it. It was so easy to put together, and it's just really cute. This little jewelry box is just too cute. So it's glass and gold, which is just, it's just so, okay, somebody needs to dust. It's me. Just open it up and it has this little chain right here, and it's glass, like it's not plastic. And you just have, like I just have my spare stuff and a few little rings and whatnot in here. This thing is just so elegant looking, and I absolutely love this thing. I don't know why I didn't get one of these sooner, but they are just beautiful. And this is great, like if you want to get it for your girlfriend or your wife or yourself and just put it by the side of your bed if you're the kind of person who takes your jewelry off at night, and I certainly am. This is so great for holding that. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you, this is like a device that I just could not live without. So it's just this like little 3-port charger. And so this one is for my Apple Watch, and this is for my AirPods, and this is for my iPhone. And I mean, I don't know what to say about a charging device. It works, it's pretty, it doesn't take up a lot of room, I don't have to look at a bunch of cords. So I just think it looks, so let me just show you guys like this. And I love it, and I use this every single day, literally. There it is, that's my shoe problem in its full glory. It's just basically like a 5-shelf bookcase, and then you can just kind of arrange it however you want to arrange yours. And so this is how I have mine. And I just love it. It just makes getting dressed so much easier. And then I just have all my boots up top right there. If you are looking for a really easy way to just take it out of the box, super easy to build, way to just organize and store and even display your shoes, then there you go. I hope you guys found that helpful. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.